Hello guys, welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring moto vehicle experience. Today we bring an informative episode about hybrid cars and how to survive with them. With the current fuel prices, car buyers are really looking for something that won't dig their pockets when it comes to consumption. Hybrid is the best way to go. Hybrid cars are driven by a hybrid battery electric motor and a gas-powered internal combustion engine, thus the name. The car can use either the electric motor or gas engine exclusively, or both can work together for more efficient driving than gas-only cars. A full hybrid can be driven for stretches on electric power, whereas mild hybrid technology only supplements the combustion engine to help cut emissions. Hybrids charge their batteries via the internal combustion engine and regenerative braking, which works to top off the battery by capturing energy from the car as it slows down or coasts. Drivers can usually see when they are using the regenerative braking system, as hybrid cars often inform users on the dashboard when they're driving efficiently. In general, as you're driving a hybrid, the battery powers the electric motor as the car operates at lower speeds. Combine that efficiency with the battery charging as the car slows, and it's easy to see what makes hybrids ideal for stop-and-go city driving. Many hybrid cars are being purchased in Kenya. This is because car buyers are turning to efficiency since they know that they can save some cash by purchasing efficient cars. Despite the rumors about hybrid cars, many people are enjoying them. Here are some tips that can help you to survive with a hybrid vehicle. 1. Service the battery. Just like an engine needs to be serviced after covering some distance, is the same way that the batteries of a hybrid car need to be serviced regularly. If you have a hybrid car, you should ensure that you service the batteries after 40,000 kilometers. This will prevent you from purchasing a new hybrid battery pack. 2. Do not modify the vehicle without a specialist. In case you decide to add some modifications, especially if they are to interfere with the electrical system, you should first contact a specialist. This is because hybrid cars are quite complicated and requires someone who knows whatever they are doing. 3. Do not purchase the whole battery pack. In case you realize that the batteries of your hybrid vehicles are faulty, you should not rush to purchase a whole battery pack. Since hybrid car batteries are arranged in cells, you should go for a diagnosis to replace the inefficient cells. You will use less money this way. Do you think hybrid cars are better options? Share your sentiments in the comments section.